To hide soft closers, ARISTO has added a special decorative plate to their product range. The link to the size calculation table is below. Mark the first hole at the distance of 236 mm from the profile edge. Mark the other holes at intervals not exceeding 400 mm. If you fix the plate on an asymmetrical style, mark the holes at 8 mm distance from the plate edge. If the style is symmetrical, mark the holes in the center of the plate. Drill holes with 4 mm diameter. Bring the attachment element in the top rail under the hole in the plate. Put the decorative plate onto the door rail. Fix the soft closer with a self-tapping screw from the soft closer kit. Additionally, fix the plate to the top rail with 3.9 per 9.5 self-tappers. The advantage of using the decorative plate is especially clear when it goes with a black profile. You can also install the plate on a ready-assembled construction.